The phrase green thumb is an idiomatic expression that refers to a person's natural talent or skill for gardening or cultivating plants. It suggests that individuals with a green thumb have a special touch or innate ability to make plants thrive and grow successfully. The phrase is often used to describe someone who has a deep understanding of plants, possesses effective gardening techniques, and consistently achieves positive results in their gardening endeavors. The origin of the term can be traced back to the early 20th century and is believed to have its roots in the association of the color green with plants and vegetation. It is often used metaphorically, comparing the skilled gardener's hands, which are said to have a green thumb, to the vibrant and healthy green foliage of well-tended plants. Having a green thumb involves a combination of knowledge, experience, and intuition. Individuals with this talent possess an understanding of plant biology, including factors such as sunlight, soil composition, watering requirements, and the needs of different plant species. They have a knack for providing the optimal conditions for plant growth and are adept at identifying and addressing any issues or challenges that arise. A green thumb is not limited to professional gardeners or horticulturists, but can be found in individuals who simply have a passion for gardening and nurturing plants. They have a genuine love for nature and derive joy from witnessing the transformation of seeds or saplings into flourishing plants. Their dedication, patience, and attentiveness to the needs of their plants contribute to their success. Furthermore, having a green thumb extends beyond technical knowledge and practical skills. It involves a deep connection and empathy with nature. Individuals with a green thumb often have an intuitive sense of what their plants require, whether it's adjusting watering schedules, providing the right nutrients, or recognizing signs of distress. This connection allows them to create harmonious environments where plants can thrive. The phrase green thumb also carries a symbolic meaning. It represents a person's ability to nurture and cultivate not only plants, but also relationships, communities, or creative endeavors. It implies a gentle touch, patience, and a nurturing mindset that can be applied to various aspects of life beyond gardening. In conclusion, the phrase green thumb describes a person's innate talent, skill, and intuitive understanding of gardening and plant cultivation. It encompasses not only technical knowledge, but also a deep connection with nature and an ability to provide optimal conditions for plant growth. Those with a green thumb derive joy from nurturing plants and achieving successful outcomes. The phrase also carries a symbolic meaning, representing the ability to nurture and cultivate various aspects of life beyond the realm of plants.